Bye.
Guys,
It's like you're going on for a show, man.
I'm telling you. Okay. Ambia Willia play. Roll. Okay. Go. Go. Go.
To the right.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, to the right. Hey, to the left. To the left. Hey, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. To the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. Hey, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. My beggar.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Sauti soul in the house. Yeah. We've been waiting. Okay, let me just pause the music a little bit. Did you?
The radio has refused.
Wow. How can one intro you guys? Polycarp, BNMA, Baraza. How about that? Willis Austin, Shimana.
That's what's up.
Mudigi. Mudigi. Guys, you represent. You've done fantastically well.
Yeah.
You didn't win BET. You didn't win AMA. But guess what? God had a bigger calling.
Yeah.
Yes, it did.
Bigger calling.
Amen.
POTUS.
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 The one and only. The one and only.
We're going to talk about that in a minute. Folks, their Twitter handle is @Sauti Soul. We apologize for being late. They were late. Mine is Koinange Jeff. The hashtag tonight, Sauti Soul. Gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
Congratulations.
You haven't changed a bit since Saturday.
I was dying to be on that stage.
Yeah. But you were there, man.
I was off stage. I was off stage.
But I invited you.
You did. You did. You know
I
that.
did.
It's Secret Service.
Hey, but you just can't.
Okay, all right, guys. Let me set the stage, okay? Or the scene, literally the stage. People were sitting on one side of the hall, facing the presidents. You guys were all the way on the other side.
Yes.
You decided to come to where the presidents were.
To part the Red Sea.
You parted the sea. What was that like? Baraza, go on. What was that like?
I mean, it was us guys reaching out for our dreams, you know. And I want to first of all thank the president for being graceful enough and giving Sauti Soul the opportunity to be the official entertainment for the night at the state bank.
I hear Sauti Soul is one of his favorite bands.
I mean, we are blessed.
It's an honor.
It's an honor. It's an honor to have our president love, Sauti Soul, and we're just happy that we are his preference. About the night, man, we were nervous.
I mean, you have the mic, you own the world.
There you go.
So it's your world.
Not even Secret Service can stop you.
No,
they couldn't.
I mean, go on, Mudigi.
I think you know, like when we started singing Surayako, before when BN was introducing Surayako, and before we started singing, he went down the stairs and started walking towards the president.
Yes, and you followed him
towards the high table, if I may say so. And then Chimano went down. And then when I just saw the Secret Service, all of them like just put their hands into their coats. Like so I chilled out a little bit. But after they chilled out, I went down. But seeing people just wanting to take off or take out.
Actually, I saw you hesitating, man.
I was like, no, I don't want to die.
What do you see, man? What do you see?
I was still on the stage because I had to play. And my guitar had a cable, so I couldn't move all that way. But then I saw Bian and Chimano went on first. And everything was hesitating. I was like, should I go or not? Should I go?
Actually, I got halfway to the stage, and I got really scared because I saw the CIA guys
coming. They were closing in.
But lucky enough, Jeff Koinange was sitting right there. So I said, "Hey, what's up, Jeff?" I saw the CIA relax. You should have carried him with you, man.
I
tried. I called you to Canaan. But you stayed in Israel. You stayed in Egypt. And then I got the American ambassador who was graceful enough,
to come on stage.
Bob is an amazing guy.
Yeah. And he needs a few dance lessons, but he's okay.
Well,
he did well.
It's not the first time we've done it in Parliament.
We've been to his residence,
and he's an amazing guy.
Okay, so you get on the stage now. You're on the stage. No, first you called Auma first.
We called Auma, Obama's sister.
Right.
President Obama's sister, to come and join us for the dance.
And then
Delvin invited the first.
How did you say come? What did you?
I did it in the worst way ever. You know what I did? I did this. God. Afterwards is when I realized, oh my God, how can you do this to the first lady? But she was like, me? I was like, you come.
And she came. She was such a sweetheart.
That's not what you do at the club.
No. We have decorum.
All right. So now POTUS, our first lady.
Oh, the first lady came down, and then
definitely
when we started dancing with the first lady, the president was graceful enough to come, and the president invited POTUS. So again, if it wasn't for the president, I don't think POTUS would have joined us. So
POTUS
President Kenyatta is the guy.
How did you explain the dance to him in like 10 seconds and he got it?
To the right.
I seriously think because after the dance, he read his speech and he said Kenyans. Americans are learning Swahili, they're eating chapati, they're dancing to Surayako.
Well, he said Surayako.
Yes, but I strongly feel at least he rehearsed. Like
maybe he knew.
He was too good.
He was too fluid.
I mean, I know he's black, but
he was too fluid.
No, but he's black, yes, but his origin is in Kenya.
But I think that is a defining moment of, if anyone doubted how Kenyan President Obama is. I think that really defines him as a Kenyan.
Absolutely.
That's a great step for Kenyan music as well.
Okay, Horazan. So you finish the dance. Everyone's clapping, cheering, taking photos of that. You grab these two presidents.
Not grab! Guys, I know people are watching on TV.
Holding,
First of all, I'm very tall.
You're 6'6".
So, and my hands are long. So if I just do this, automatically it looks like I'm grabbing. But I didn't grab. I put my hands on their shoulders.
They came to you.
Yes, and then they came to me. You know what I'm saying?
Like the
I was dressed in white, you know. I felt like, it was a peaceful thing to do. And that was the moment.
Oh, that was a moment.
Yeah.
And then I saw you two shaking hands and chatting him a bit. What do you tell him?
I just told him, man, I've been dying to see you and to meet you, and finally I've met you.
Oh. What did he say?
I was like, sure.
Yeah, he said, sorry,
No, he just told me, you have to do your thing. And you're here.
Willis, what'd you tell him?
Good at this.
Well, I was like tongue-tied. I was just like, good to meet you, Mr. President. What is it to say? Like, what to say? So then, Bien, I think just saved me. Then he just came over to where turned.
I held his hand and I said to his ear, because I remember when President Obama came to power in 2008 with his Yes We Can campaign, I just promised myself I have to meet him. And when he came to power for second term, I was still thinking, I was asking Chimano, are we ever going to meet Obama? Are we ever going to perform at the White House?
Right.
So I just said to his ear, sir, Mr. President, thoughts become things. And
thoughts become things.
We promised ourselves that we have to meet you. And then he said, I guess then here we are.
Here we are.
I was like,
the White House came to you.
Muhammad will not go to the mountain.
The
mountain will come to you.
He's quite an easy guy. Even the way he responds to people.
Yes. But Polika, so you were back there with your guitar?
I was back.
You wouldn't let go of the guitar?
No, I couldn't, because I was playing to
you were a cappella, man.
just run.
But Polika is a soul member, man. He puts the music first.
Right.
Yeah, music first.
Yeah, POTUS second.
But Jeff, what people don't know is that we were this close to not attending that function, because we had.
Oh, sort of like we were this close to not coming to the bench. It's sort of like. Why not?
But we had a gig in Rwanda. We had booked a gig in Rwanda the same night.
Tickets had been sold, everything. So the promoter in Rwanda was graceful enough to move the show
to the next
the next day, and the fans in Rwanda understood and they came to the show the next day.
No,
and it was packed.
Was Kagame part of the audience?
No, he wasn't.
But we mentioned.
But in the song Nerea, when he sang Huenda Kawa Kagame,
Pandemonium.
We were playing in a.
Go on, sing it. Let me hear it.
Huenda Kawa Kagame atawale Jaramogi Odinga Tungane Wenda kawa Jeff Koinange.
So you guys flew out the next morning?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually,
morning.
from the airport,
We didn't even
we
sleep.
changed and then we just went. Our flight was like 3 a.m.
No.
Yeah. Flight, we went straight to the airport.
Come on.
And at the gig, guys were like, yo, we saw you with the bomb.
Yeah, man.
Power of
nice.
television, right?
Social media is powerful.
Social media.
Yes.
You know that video, it's been replayed many times by different outfits, right? So I see 50,000 hits, 35,000 hits here, 100,000. You guys are killing it.
Well, it's just, I think it's God's grace, man. You know, all these times you work so hard, and it just shows like we've gone all over the world. We've tried all styles of music, trying to find what suits the world. And when we did a song like Surayako is just a Luya track. Like when you listen to the basic fundamental, it's just the most African thing we could ever do, you know, and lyrically and musically.
Yeah, Polycarp.
And it's
not BET Awards.
Yeah.
You guys were touted as the winners. It was a foregone conclusion. Honestly, if you talk to anybody and anybody, they said Sauti So was going to win Best International Act, blah, blah, blah. Polycarp, it didn't happen.
Well, yeah, you know, and sadly enough, BT people don't vote. You know, I think if people voted, we would have won the BT.
BT,
But then we move on to the next.
You know,
move on to the next.
Were you disappointed?
No.
You were disappointed?
No.
These awards are there. We went there, like the way we profiled ourselves and the way we had planned for that BET Awards ceremony, we got away with so many things. Right now we're doing collabos with, I don't know, like 5 international artists.
Name one.
No.
You can't.
No, I'll name...
we've been sold to secrecy.
No. International East African artists, we're doing a collab with Ali Kiba.
Okay. Who's that?
Oh, really, Jeff? Really? Oh, my.
Okay, I will say probably Akon.
Oh, okay. You can do one with Akon?
Probably.
You are.
Yeah.
We met
It's
him
about time.
We met at the state banquet and he reached out to
I mean,
us.
he's always at State House every weekend.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
So,
that's the
probably that's
possible.
gonna work.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's gonna work.
Okay. Willis, were you disappointed?
No. Okay. At
Willis,
first,
you.
at first I was a bit taken aback because as well of maybe how their words, how their words as well were handled when we were there. But then afterwards, it was just like my craft or my artistry. Our words should not define my, my artistry, my art, who I am as an artist.
Barata, did you guys perform that night?
At the BT?
Yes.
No, we didn't.
You didn't
No, we performed the night before.
Then we performed the night before.
There was a
Like,
response.
Showcase.
The pre-party, it was amazing.
Crazy.
People,
Performed with Sakudi.
We performed with an artist from Ghana, South
AK,
Africa, Congo.
Did they
It was
love
an
you
African
guys? Did
showcase.
they appreciate?
Oh,
Yeah,
so
they
much,
did. They
yes.
did.
Yeah.
They did. And it was a great experience. Like the whole experience at BT and meeting all the stars that we've grown up listening to or watching on TV.
Yeah.
And just watching the whole concert from not on TV now, from like right there.
Yeah.
From A to Z.
Yeah,
Because
man.
like 2 years ago, we used to buy the DVDs.
Used to buy the
when we were in
BT.
campus.
Yeah,
We used to go for a movie guy. Wait, BT jatoka. And we camera copy, And then now we were in the
You
BTs.
know how this guy is a sneaky guy. He just so brandy.
Monica was just
Brandon Reggie.
Anyway, it's such a good experience, really.
And we got to meet Robin Thicke, we got to meet Brandy, we got to meet Busta Rhymes.
Fed you up.
Yeah, we got to see Rihanna. She was just like 5 chairs from us. So just sitting just right there.
Actually,
We
Rihanna
saw
kept on
Janet-
looking at me all the time.
Oh,
Security as in, to how you up about?
Mashabix.
My fans. No, but it was a beautiful experience.
Really?
So
And
beautiful.
God has been so good to us this year,
And
man.
I'm glad you said that, Baraza, because a lot of people watching you right now will probably think, you know what, if you don't win an award like that after so much hype, people will be hurt, people will be stressed, people will be, will be thinking, you know what, is this the end of the world? But you guys are taking it very well.
I mean, in everything there will always be winners and losers. And it doesn't mean the losers are any less better than the winners. It just means the losers need to go and work hard. Or just as hard as the winners. What did the winners do? From all this, we look at P Square, for example. P Square won best group. But when you look at it on paper and on the ground, P Square really is the best group in Africa.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes,
Yeah,
they are
P
amazing.
Square, yeah.
Sauti Sol must strive to be what P Square is. Because P Square is known in the machinani of every country,
Of
in this
every African
continent.
country in this
You go
continent.
like there was a time we went to Malawi. We went to a club. We after playing at the festival, we went to a club. The only African artist we had at that club, apart from the Malawi musicians, P-Square.
Good
So you think about it.
A country like Mali that is so much in tune with their culture.
Mali.
Yeah, we went to Mali.
P-Square is the only international artist.
So this all needs to work hard, and we are back and we are working hard.
You're back in the studio. Writing new songs.
We don't sleep.
We're from the studio right now.
Actually gave us more motivation.
Really?
No, on a serious note, we're from the studio.
Studio bar or
The studio.
No, seriously, studio.
no, but that's very encouraging.
Yeah.
And you need to tell people watching you right now.
I mean, Kenya needs to work hard, especially in the entertainment scene. We can't keep on making ourselves the victim, saying, "Oh, East Africa tunaonewa, oh, East Africa this."
blah, blah, blah.
You know what? Artists put out better content, put out more content.
Quality.
Fans
Quality content.
vote for your artist. When there's an award ceremony that requires you to vote, it doesn't matter if you like Sauti Sol or not. Do it for your country.
By the way, your campaign was fabulous, was fantastic. You kept urging people to vote. But you know Kenyans.
Well,
this thing is next week.
Kenyans voted.
No, but last minute.
They really did come out.
I won't lie to you, like with the MTV Awards, Kenyans voted, but like every award, every competition has politics.
Yeah.
You just never know what happens.
You might see that you're on the timeline, people are voting, you're trending because of.
Because we didn't see anybody vote for P-Square. At least nobody was on Twitter.
Even we tweeted something like P-Square, but they won. So you see,
you never know.
It shows you. But our fans have been holding it down. You know,
Yes.
they've been voting for us. They've been supporting us, and we love them back. You know.
Sweet. What about Diamond?
Diamond is sharp.
Diamond's very
He's
sharp.
huge.
Diamond is a sharp
huge.
guy.
He has a new song today. He just released a new song.
Diamond is an amazing artist. Actually, we are playing with Diamond this weekend at the MTV party at Carnival. If you're free, man, come by.
This weekend?
You're free.
What time?
Just come. Saturday from 8 o'clock till dawn.
You're playing with Diamond?
Yeah, Sauti Sol, Diamond, Kansu, Kulichana, Rabbit. Yeah.
I've never heard of half of those people, but okay. Just now.
Real school.
Okay.
Real school.
What keeps you guys going? I mean, this attitude is what we need in this industry, especially. Go on, what keeps you?
First of all, people don't know that Sauti Sol, we are friends. We were friends first before this music thing came about. We were jamming, like at the garden. We started jamming with Polycarp. Polycarp came with the guitar. We started singing because we love it. So first we were friends. I understand Chimano. We understand each other so much that brotherhood comes first. Sometimes the business is bigger than my individual thinking or your individual pride, you know. So people must understand that in every company, in every community, in anything that will flourish in future, you have to have good and basic understanding.
Do you agree? Sorry to cut you off. Do you agree because you were kind of the newcomer?
Yes.
You were coming into this group. Was it tough? Was it intimidating?
Not really, no. They're in the same high school. They used to sing together in high school. And we met, the first guy I met actually in this group was Bien.
I picked him from the
at a music store.
It's okay though.
Yeah, and I had my guitar with me and we met. We were actually going for the same auditions. And we met there and we just clicked, started talking. Then he told me, oh, but they come with me. I'm going to sing with my boys that I sing with at the park, at the Uhuru Park.
Right.
We used to rehearse in the Uhuru Park.
You know.
And that
that's how we started.
Musicians,
We
don't fear
sat
to go
on the hill.
Uhuru Park is a nice place to go during the day and sing under a tree.
to Uhuru Park and relax.
Buy the soda.
And you'll be better than Sauti Sol.
And people will toss you money.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're going to take a break. Come back. As we go on break, how about some Nerea?
Let's do it.
Nerea. Come on, let's Nerea this.
Let's narrate this.
Go on, Polycarp.
Nakuomba Nerea, usitoe mimba yangu we. Mungu akileta mtoto analeta sahani yake, mlete nitamlea. Usitoe mimba yangu we. Mungu akileta mtoto analeta sahani yake.
Huenda kawa Obama, hata wale Amerika. Huenda akawa Koinange, Diuzi naye akasoma. Huenda akawa Wanyama, acheze soka Uingereza. Huenda akawa Kenyatta, mwanzilishi wa taifa. Na kuomba Nerea, usitoe mimba yangu we. Mungu akileta mtoto analeta sahani yake, lete nitamlea. Usitoe
akileta mtoto analeta sahani yake.
Oh my!
Oh my!
What my! Saudi, so no wonder POTUS loves this group. No wonder.
No wonder.
President of the Republic of Kenya, what's the POR?
Pork.
So what's the President of the Republic of Nigeria?
Oh my God.
At Sauti Soul, at Koinange Show. The hashtag is Sauti Soul. We'll take a break. Come back in a moment.
Oh, okay.